Honey,
Yes.
did we like that shop?
Oh, we did like that shop. I will be coming back.
She's coming back.
We got the money.
Yeah, that Taylor, she's going to take her will money and she's buying out Golden Circle. And
Probably things that I'll never use, but...
no, when you buy that big tub of washing powder, I'll be like, honey, can you bring over some washing powder? I need to get washing powder. I've got stuff in the washing machine, literally.
You got to get
Milk.
and bread.
Yeah, probably. Circle, empty rack in. No. Oh, that's cool too. What are they got on that? $8, damn. How old is it? $2018. Yeah, too much. Dependable Dodge cars. Gildan tag. Biker chick. Oh, they need to do something with their coat hangers. Big Joe. Man, these coat hangers are not happening. I like it. What? What'd you find?
These two.
Yes. Yes. I will buy them for them. and while I'm at it, pay the fucking electricity bill. Well, I should buy one for your daughter and you should buy one for my daughter.
Yeah. Got some beautiful stuff in here.
Have you shown me where?
Oh, I like this.
Uh-huh.
And this.
I've had a couple of them.
It's beautiful.
We've had one of these since I've been with you.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's money though.
It's always
Yeah.
funny, eh? What's that?
King.
Why, thank you.
Sorry, it should say God.
Well, that's not true, darling. There's only one true God, and it isn't me. Oh, the horsey's nice. Made in China. Shame it's not made so much. Oh, let's get away from this lady, noisy lady. Look at that sealed game of Harry Potter for $15.50.
Yeah, Cluedo.
You should play
That's a good
Cluedo.
go. Five's good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I've seen a few of these around a few of the op shops.
yeah, they're cute. They're a big thing.
They must have got a whole heap of them at once or something. God, hasn't every shop had their music too loud today? Like it's even... You're right, baby. I thought you sounded like you're having a stroke. You good? They love your singing at work, don't they? They're like, oh, let's just hope she sings. See, I was looking at the base of that. It's old. There used to be like a big bowl and a jug, and that's how you'd have your water. That's how you'd have a bath. Back when Kimmy was a kid. Who knows what's going on?
I don't want to make pies.